Due to the increasing degree of automation in the production, workers are often responsible for several machines and areas simultaneously. This leads to downtimes because operator interventions are often recognized with a delay. To avoid this inefficiency, the aucobo smartwatch app informs the worker with messages from the machine directly on his wrist. The app can be set up within minutes. You can define which information, like material shortage, check, or maintenance messages, is needed from each machine. Because of this, the aucobo system can be adapted to your company needs and requirements individually. If a machine is calling for a worker but he is busy at the moment, the worker can forward the message to his colleagues by simply pushing the button of the smartwatch. It is also possible to request the help of other experts like logistics specialists or maintainers and connect the smartwatch with your ERP or MES system. Due to the faster response time and the self-organized distribution of tasks, the utilization of the machine increases strongly and allows an efficient multi-machine operation even in complex structures.